Hey everybody, this is the entertaining area, serving area, opposite of that long L in the kitchen. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this one. We have face cabinets there with an overhang on the other side of this pillar. Right here, 6-inch overhang. We did end up doing another clear coat on this one as well because we ran into a janky seam right there. And overall, I think it's cleaned up pretty well with the new clear coat. Now, coming around here, there is going to be some molding and trim put on here later that we're not involved with. Overall, pretty happy with this. I think the countertop looks great. Right there is that long L. And I'll step back here so you get the full view here. Closing shot of that serving area.